And dear friends, welcome back here in that tutorial. Beautiful effect we could choose for that beautiful picture, and for that purpose, guys, here I could apply that artistic effect one, which is from here, guys. There's a emboss, pastel, swirl, face shake, caricature, mirror effect options, and that's artistic tiny planet effect options. That's the sheer motion characterizer, guys. After that, poster, polygon, comic, watercolor, sketcher 2, guys. That's the sketcher 1. Neon oil painting fatal 2, guys, and that's the fatal 2 effect options which I have to select for the photo, guys. And further effect we could also apply on it. These are the color effect options, guys. That's saber 2, saber 1, pop part 4, guys. I have to select that pop part 5 effect option.